going on, guys? Jade here. Welcome back to yet another video, and today we are making something super duper special. This is a Switch Lite, specifically my roommate's Switch Lite. I have an OG Switch myself, and this is an atomic purple shell. I bet at this point you can guess where we're going. We're gonna make this boring original teal Switch into a atomic purple Switch, and I cannot be more excited. I have wanted to do this with my own Switch since I got one, essentially like 2 or 3 years ago at this point. Has the Switch really been out that long? Oh my god. But $40 to do it on the original is like too much, like more than I'm willing to spend, honestly. And they always say you should practice on other people's equipment, so that's exactly what I'm doing here. I have my screw kit, and I'm ready to get started. Let's make it happen. Hopefully without destroying the Switch Lite in the process, because this is not mine, and that would be kind of a nightmare. Okay, so I guess the only thing we can do is just jump into it. I have a video pulled up here that is going to tell us how to do this. The video is by Erica Griffin. I will link it in the description down below. I watched it a couple times through just to kind of make sure I could do this in any capacity. And it's super duper comprehensive. If you're gonna do this, I would highly recommend you watch her video. This is not gonna be a guide as much as it's gonna be showing my adventure of me trying to do this myself. So I guess the only thing that we can do is hop into it. So I guess the first thing to do would be to actually turn the Switch off. That'll probably help a decent bit. And next, I believe the first step is to get this case off, the actual original case. So let's break into our toolkit here and make that happen. See, I believe we're going to need a tri-wing screw here, so we'll just take this one right here. Should probably remove the game that's currently in there as well. That might hinder things later on down the road. Oh, that sounds like beauty, dude. There we go. Okay, finally. So I had a decent bit of issue actually getting this back cover off, which does not bode well for the rest of the project, to be honest with you. And the headphone cover was actually kind of clipped on in a weird way, but that's it. That's it now. It's off and I'm ready to start putting this one on. Can you kind of tell how it's going to look, maybe? I guess the next thing to do is to actually remove the shield here, which we're going to do with our handy dandy Phillips head screwdriver. And there it is. The heat pipe is removed, unbent, and we're ready to move on. Okay, so it looks like the next thing to do is to take this whole game cartridge assembly off, as well as the headphone jack right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get our screwdriver and make that happen. And okay, all right, another little fan. Okay. Cable time now. We're gonna disconnect all of the cables that are connected to this board so we can actually take it out and transfer it over to the new housing. This is the part that I'm the most nervous about because they're so tiny and so breakable, and I don't want to do any of that, so we're just gonna see how this goes. There we go, dude. That is a Switch Lite speaker. Put that over there. Okay, so the guide recommends to take pictures of the screws at this point, just to kind of, you know where they're gonna go back in whenever you put this back together. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna take this camera, we're gonna take pictures of all the little doodads here, so I don't actually destroy this whenever it goes back together. So give me 2 seconds. Okay, so main camera back there is dead. Batteries are charging, so we're gonna be single camera for the rest of this video tutorial. I don't really know what to call it, so please bear with me while I try and make this work still. I apologize. Okay, hair dryer. Our rudimentary heat gun. I'm pretty sure this is just what a heat gun is, right? Like a heat gun is just a hair dryer. We're going to use it to separate the LCD. What just fell off of it? Oh God. Here we go. No way. Oh! Oh my God. No way. No way. Oh, but we did it. 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 Holy dude. Let's go, dude. Wait, let's see if I can reflect my face here. But we did it. But we did it. But we did it, dude. I was so convinced I was gonna ruin that, dude. I really was. I was like, this is done for sure. Okay, so it looks like next thing we have to do is set this thing in here towards the right side of the case with the ribbon cables set underneath just like that. Okay, and then make sure this ribbon cable on this side is underneath as well, not getting pinched or anything. Oh my God, no way. Is this screen really in here? Is this screen really in here right now, dude? Hey, guys, like, not to freak out, but is this screen really in here right now, dude? Oh my gosh, it is. It actually is in here right now. It's aligned with the adhesive. The ribbon cables are aligned properly. I sincerely can't believe this. That's absurd, dude. We're doing it. We're actually making this happen. Now we're gonna see if it turns on. Oh! Oh! Oh my God, look at this. It's actually functioning. I can't believe it, dude. The thing to do now is to test the controller button, see if this... Oh my God, they all appear to be working. All actually appear to be working. I can't believe this, dude. ZL, ZR are working. Everything is working. Plus is working. Minus is actually working. I took a screenshot earlier next. Yeah, I can take a screenshot. The home button, I tested as well. That works too. The touch screen still works. Hold on. Okay, now we just gotta test and see if the control sticks actually work. Let's see if they work. They actually work. Oh my gosh, dude. This is insane. I can't believe we actually did it. I cannot believe we actually made this happen, dude. Well, now it's time to... Here's how I have to turn this on, by the way. I have to take the little tiny button and I have to hold it here. And now we just gotta kind of finagle it to turn it off again. That should work right there. Yep, there we go. So we go down to power options and turn off again. Okay. Oh, I can't believe it's working. Find ourselves alone here, wanting to disappear, change our names. Now, I think that's all that's left to do before we actually close this thing up is to put the brackets and stuff into here. And according to the guide, they said you can use the included ones that came with the kit, but they're kind of garbage. So we're gonna actually cannibalize the ones from the old housing and put them into here. I'm gonna flip this over like this, and then we're going to take the parts out of here and put them in there, which should be fairly simple actually. The home stretch, guys. I don't wanna, speak too early and, turn this on and then something not work, but, I mean, hey, this is looking pretty good. You know what? Actually, me saying that out loud makes me think I wanna turn this back on while everything is still disassembled and whatnot, and actually check and make sure like the card reader and stuff is working, and just in general make sure all that's good to go. So we're gonna actually turn this back over and finagle our switch back on here. Oh, I turned it on. Okay, I turned it on accident anyway. Okay, there we go. It's still somehow functioning. That sounds like both speakers are working. So now all we have to do is we have to take this right here and it actually works. It actually works and everything. I guess now we have to see if, it can it can run the game if there's no issues with it actually running the game. I guess that's the next thing. And if this opens, if Mario Kart 8 opens, then oh my god, no. I can't believe it! Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna lose my mind. And then if we press the home button works and everything. Dude. Okay, let's see if I can make this turn off again really quickly for us right here while we get everything put back together. And here it is, 7.5 hours later, we have a atomic purple Nintendo Switch, like one that I actually assembled with my hands, one that works. Like, I sincerely can't believe it. This has been a trial and a tribulation. I thought this would take maybe a couple hours, you know, just have a little bit of fun with it. But for all the time that it took, this thing is truly incredible. I'm so excited. I hope my roommate enjoys it. Not for me, you know, but doesn't mean I didn't have an insane amount of fun making it, and doesn't mean I'm not going to do it on my own actual full-size Switch, because here's a little teaser. I have these. So we'll see how this goes. Maybe I'll make another video about that. Maybe it might be like a little small vlog or something. We'll have to see. But regardless, thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you really enjoyed the video, want to get a favorite, mean a lot to me, hit me up on all the social media surrounding your screen. And above all else, be safe, make good choices, have a wonderful day, and peace out. Peace out. Do little Korean hearts. Okay, see you guys. Bye-bye.